Here are some important facts to know before beginning. Be patient. Enzymes need time to digest a stain. That means letting them stay on the stain, sometimes 20 to 30 minutes for a tough stain. First, wet the area and apply Street Pro. Apply mechanical action to help Street Pro penetrate the stain. Apply heat to increase the stain removal action. If the stain remains, flush out the remaining chemical. Leave the area wet. Don't allow it to dry. Apply Devour directly to the stained area. Use low steam or fogging to heat the area. Be careful not to rinse out the Devour. Apply a bit more Devour. Let Devour sit for a while to give the enzymes time to work. The area needs to be kept warm and moist. Covering the item with a cloth may help. You may have to reheat and moisten the area. Rinse using steam. Utilize a combination of steam and air, working from the inside to the outer edge, to feather dry the area to prevent water rings.
Thank you for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe to follow us for more Streets Academy videos.